Is it the right time to buy or sell SOFI stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into SOFI. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, November 8, 2023. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI today and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. From November 6, 2023, our system has identified SOFI as a sell candidate, with a score of -3.59. Now let's analyze the stock's performance during this period. The stock witnessed a loss of -2.40%. This means an average daily loss of -0.80% since it was labeled as a sell candidate. The stock is currently in a declining trend and is expected to continue falling in the short term. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a potential -14.09% change in the stock's value over the next 3 months. The estimated return could range between -21.23% and -3.96%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 49.95% change in the stock's value over the next year. The potential return could range between 39.81% and 159.41%. This suggests a price range of $10.22 to $18.96 after 1 year. Our latest update for SOFI brings some important news. The stock experienced a decline of 1.48% on Wednesday, resulting in a red day for SOFI. Specifically, on Wednesday, November 8, 2023, the SOFI stock price dropped from $7.42 to $7.31. This marks the 4th consecutive day of decline. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $7.12 and a high of $7.40, experiencing a 3.86% fluctuation. Although the stock has fallen in 6 out of the last 10 days, it is still up by 3.25% over the past 2 weeks. It's worth noting that the decrease in volume aligns with the decline in stock price, which is generally considered a positive indicator. Specifically, trading volume decreased by 5 million shares on the last day, with a total of 27 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $198.92 million. Looking at the bigger picture, over the past 52 weeks, SOFI's stock reached a high of $11.70 and a low of $4.24. Currently, the price sits at 37.52% below the 52-week high, which amounts to a difference of $4.39. Furthermore, it is 74.13% below the all-time high, which was reached on February 1, 2021, when the price peaked at $28.26. Analyst Ratings. In a recent report on Wednesday, October 18, 2023, financial firm Keefe, Bruyette & Woods upgraded SOFI's market performance, giving it a Market Perform grade. Another report on Thursday, August 17, 2023, revealed that Citigroup recommended buying SOFI shares with a Buy grade and a Hold action. On Tuesday, August 1, 2023, Keefe, Bruyette & Woods downgraded SOFI's rating to Underperform with a downgrade action. Stephens, on Tuesday, July 25, 2023, initiated coverage on SOFI with an Equal Weight grade. In another report on Thursday, July 13, 2023, Morgan Stanley downgraded SOFI's rating to Underweight. According to analysts, SOFI stock has received a general buy rating. They recommend buying the stock based on its PE ratio and price to book, both rated as buy. However, the analysts have given the stock a neutral rating for return on investment. Today, let's take a look at the signals we've identified for SOFI. Currently, there are few to no technical positive signals for the SOFI stock. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate a negative forecast for the stock, suggesting a sell signal. Additionally, the relation between these two signals shows a general sell signal, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. If the stock experiences corrections and moves upwards, it may face resistance at the price levels of $7.65 and $7.68. However, if the stock breaks above these levels, it could potentially issue buy signals. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a decrease of -10.53% so far. This indicates a potential further fall until a new bottom pivot is found. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, currently shows a sell signal. It's worth noting that the volume fell along with the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence is indicating a sell signal. The pivot signal indicated a sell 5 days ago. The Bollinger signal indicated a buy 33 days ago. The short-term moving average signal indicated a sell 4 days ago. The long-term moving average signal indicated a sell 4 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 18 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see the following signals. The short moving average indicated a sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 21 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 27 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOFI. Let's talk about the support levels for SOFI. Currently, the stock finds support just below today's level at $6.94 and $6.90. Support levels are important as they indicate a potential price level where the stock may stabilize or bounce back. However, there is always a risk associated when a stock is testing a support level. If the support level is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In the case of SOFI, the next support levels from accumulated volume would be at $6.90 and $6.87. It's worth noting that SOFI is considered to be high risk due to its volatility. This means that the stock has the potential to move significantly during the day. In fact, the Bollinger Band, which measures volatility, predicts a large range of movement for this stock. Looking at the recent data, SOFI has experienced a daily average volatility of 5.39% over the past week. This indicates that the stock's price has been fluctuating quite a bit. For example, in the last day, the stock moved $0.275 between its high and low, which is equivalent to a 3.86% difference. These numbers give us an idea of the stock's recent price movements and its potential for future volatility. Before we get into discussing the potential trading levels for SOFI, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One key metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is either losing money or has negative earnings. It's not uncommon for established companies to go through periods of decline, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios may indicate insufficient profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2023 is scheduled to be released on January 29, 2024. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for SOFI. In the case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOFI is at $7.55. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for the stock to surpass this level before entering a position. For those who are already holding the stock, this could be an opportunity to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SOFI encounters its first support level at $6.94. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the potential for a rebound. SOFI has received a buy rating from multiple analyst sources. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On November 2, 2023, Borton Chad M. sold 152,041 shares of common stock. On November 3, 2023, Webster Aaron sold 215,299 shares of common stock. On September 14, 2023, White Derek J. sold 114,362 shares of restricted stock unit. On September 14, 2023, White Derek J. bought 114,362 shares of common stock. On September 15, 2023, White Derek J. sold 49,047 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is -20.902, indicating a negative trend. In the last 100 trades, insiders purchased 4,422,781 shares and sold 6,724,467 shares. We have evaluated this stock negatively and unfortunately, no stop loss has been set. Is SOFI stock a good buy? SOFI stock currently holds several negative signals and is experiencing a wide and falling trend, suggesting that it may perform weakly in the next few days or weeks. Therefore, our evaluation of this stock is negative. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, November 9th, we anticipate SOFI to open down by $0.0350 and start trading at $7.28. Before we proceed, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of financial loss. It's always wise to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis of your investment choices. Any investment decisions you make using the information provided are solely your responsibility. Welcome to StockInvest, where we're going to take a closer look at the current view of this stock. We value your opinion, so don't hesitate to comment below and share your thoughts. What do you predict as the target for this stock? Remember to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Our team wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day ahead.